Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Vivo under the V series, the Vivo V20. So Vivo V series have been known for great innovation and features. Now the Vivo V20 is no different. So it has a 44 megapixel selfie camera with eye focus mode available and a 64 megapixel night camera as well. So it is really good in terms of hardware. So let's see how good the device is in terms of features. We'll talk about the camera, we'll see some camera samples. So everything we'll do in this unboxing video. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started with unboxing of the Vivo V20. So this is the box package of the Vivo V20, and you can see that all the specifications, the major important aspects are mentioned here. 44 megapixel eye autofocus, we'll talk about that in detail. Ultra sleek matte glass, 64 megapixel night camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G platform, and this is the midnight Jazz variant, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. There is also 8GB RAM and 128GB storage being offered. So let's quickly open the box package, and you can see the Vivo V20 mentioned here. Now let's take this out. So here you can see that it comes with a TPU case, and there is a SIM ejector pin included, and the product specifications are mentioned here. All the detailed specifications are mentioned. There is also SAR value mentioned here. Now this device comes with a dedicated SD card slot as well, so that's something which is pretty good. So let's take this device out. So you can see here the mention of the dedicated SD card slot. So this looks really gorgeous. So there you go, that's the Vivo V20 with a great looking design. You can see it's a gorgeous device, and you can feel that when you hold the device. This is the AG matte glass with anti-fingerprints coating included, and looks really gorgeous, and this gives a good finishing overall. Now looking at the thickness, this is one of the important aspects. It's just 7.38 mm. So we have a 5 rupee coin. You can just compare it with a 5 rupee coin. You can see how slim it is, extremely slim and gorgeous looking device. Now this device also comes with a triple camera setup. We'll talk about the camera, and the front camera is a 44 megapixel eye tracking camera. Again, we'll talk about that in a while. So inside the box you get this 33 watt flash charger, 11 volt 3 ampere 33 watt flash charger, which should be able to charge the device in really good time. Now you also get USB Type-C cable, which is included with the box package, and finally you get a good quality earphone which is bundled with the box package. So now we have booted the device, and you can see it's a beautiful looking device out there. Great design. You can see that the left side also the SIM tray. Back panel has a triple camera setup, 64 megapixel night camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle macro sensor, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now here you can see that right side the power and volume keys. The bottom section has the USB Type-C port, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit. And the front panel has a gorgeous looking 6.44 inches full HD plus AMOLED display, and this display is protected by short sensation glass, and the back panel is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. And we also have a 44 megapixel selfie camera with eye autofocus feature, which we will talk later. So that's the design aspects. So overall a great looking device, 7.38 mm thick, and a great finishing overall. Now let's talk about the software. Now Vivo has this FunTouch OS 11 on top of Android 11, one of the few smartphones right now having Android 11 out of the box. So that's again another great feature. So you can see here this is Android 11, and if you just go to the about phone, you can see that this has 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor, which is again a really capable processor both in terms of CPU and GPU performance. So we have seen this processor on a lot of smartphones. So this is a tried and tested processor, and we have the FunTouch OS 11 global variant. Along with that we have the Android 11 version as well. So that's the you can see that Android 11 version as well. So software has been improved and it feels refreshing. You can see here new software UI looks great. The quick toggles, everything looks really revamped. Now next let's move on to the camera. So this is the most important aspect about this device. Now the front camera is a 44 megapixel Samsung GH1 sensor, and the rear camera is a 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor, and 8 megapixel autofocus super wide angle super macro sensor, 2 megapixel mono sensor is included. So that's the camera sensor. Now the front camera has a f2.0 aperture, rear camera is f1.89 aperture, and important thing about this camera is that there are a couple of interesting things about the selfie camera. One is that it has eye autofocus functionality, which is first of its kind, and second, it has 4K selfie video. Now 4K is on a selfie camera is very rarely found, and Vivo V20 has that functionality, and this is quite useful for vloggers who want to take the best video recording along with the eye focus. Now talking about the eye autofocus, the 44 megapixel main camera with eye autofocus can focus sharply from around 15 centimeter and zoom into infinity. Whether you're shooting up close or with the help of a selfie stick, it actually can detect your eye and give you better autofocus. The eye autofocus works really well on the Vivo V20. So this is the camera UI. If you go here and you can see that motion autofocus. So this here you can see that eye autofocus, you can enable it. Now we'll just show you how eye autofocus works. So you can right now see it's detecting my face and it's actually selecting my eye. So what happens is when you generally record videos using the selfie camera, the face is tracked and the portions near the eye and all gets just blurred out. Now here with the eye autofocus, you get much better clarity and detailing for the selfie camera. So here is a quick video sample we have taken with the eye autofocus in place, and this you can see here it has come really great, and overall the quality of the video also looks great. So here is the video. So this is the front facing camera sample taken with the Vivo V20, which has this eye tracking mode which works really well, and you can see the quality of the video from the front 44 megapixel camera on the Vivo V20. Now additionally you also get dual video view option, recording with a front and rear camera at the same time, along with a picture in picture or dual view mode, and it also comes with a lot of scene mode. So camera is something which is really great on this device. The 64 megapixel night camera works really well. So this has one of the really good cameras in this price segment. So we have been testing this camera for quite some time. Here are some of the camera samples we have taken with this device. It has come really well. So stay tuned for our detailed camera review, which will be coming up pretty soon. So overall we feel camera is definitely one of the best in this price segment. Now this device comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, and you also get 33 watt fast charging. The 33 watt flash charge can charge your battery to approximately 65% in 30 minutes, which is again really good. So again, it is well equipped. Even with a slim form factor, Vivo has not compromised on the battery. You still get a 4000 mAh capacity battery. So overall you can see that the in-hand feel looks really great. It's a gorgeous device. Vivo's V series have been known for great design and exceptional features. So here again you get some really interesting features, especially the eye tracking, slim design, 64 megapixel cameras, and it is one of the devices with Android 11 out of the box and 33 watt fast charging included. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Vivo V20. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.